हेलो एवरीवन, सो वेलकम टू माय चैनल हार्ड वर्क अकेडमी। तो आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम 2018 का एलिमेंट्री कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन पेपर सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे, जो कि आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहने वाला है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसके अंदर, PCI इज़ ए टाइप ऑफ बस। सी ऑप्शन इज़ करेक्ट ऑप्शन। सेकेंड, द प्रिंटिंग ऑप्शन सेलेक्टेड फ्रॉम विच मेन्यू? फाइल। Third, in MS Excel, the formula starts with equal sign. D option is correct option. Fourth, in an Access database, the data are stored in A option, tables. Fifth, DAS is a presentation program, PowerPoint, C option. Six, who provides the ATM services of bank? 7, which one is not a multitasking OS? MS-DOS, C option. 8, a computer cannot boot without operating system, D option. 9, the scroll lock key is a toggle key, C option. 10, MMX technique is used in printer. 11, UPS stands for Universal Power Supply, A option. 12, the program which finds the virus and destroys it is called antivirus, D option. 13, the name before @ in email address is called domain, B option. 14, mode of payment in e-commerce is cyber cash. 15, to cut the selected text, CTRL plus X, B option. 16, COBOL is a 3GL, B option. 17, the process of mapping a diskette is called formatting, B option. 18, cache memory is a fast speed memory. 19, in a table columns represent field. 20, using the format menu you can all of the above. 21, a device which establishes communication between computer and telephone line is modem, B option. 22, which factor is not important for the computer cost, C option. 23, Bluetooth is an example of personal area network, A option. 24, dash is to protect data and passwords encryption, A option. 25, a floppy disk contains both sectors and tracks, C option. 26, the shortcut key for insert hyperlink in MS Word, CTRL plus K, B option is correct option. 27, the internal structure of the World Wide Web is built on a set of rules called hypertext transfer protocol, C option is correct option. 28, which one is a network topology? Star, C option. 29, the ascending order of the following is bit byte field record file database, A option is the correct option. 30, which of the following is used in computer graphics? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए ऑप्शन, CAD. CAD is the correct option. 31, which one is not an internet protocol? OOP, D option is the correct option. 32, main page of an internet site is called home page, B option. 33, which of the following is used in first generation computers? Vacuum tubes, A option is correct option. 34, the dash is a program that displays moving images on the screen if no input is received for the specified minutes. Screensaver, D option. 35, hertz means 1 cycle per second, B option is correct option. Which one is not in MS Word? Formula bar, A option. 37, HTML is used to create web page, C option is correct option. 38. Duplication of data is known as data redundancy. A option is the correct option. 39. Kilobyte means 1024 bytes. 40. To join the internet, the computer has to be connected to a internet service provider. C option. 41. Which language of database is used to create table? DML. B option. 42. Talent is used for remote login. A option. 43. Hard disk is a secondary memory. B option is the correct option. 44. A temporary storage area attached to CPU is known as buffer. B option is the correct option. 45. Multimedia contents. सो इसका आंसर मेरे को नहीं मिल पाया अभी तक गूगल से, सो लीव इट. 46. विच कमांड इज़ यूज टू रीस्टार्ट द कंप्यूटर? बी ऑप्शन इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. CTRL + ALT + DEL. Next question 47. The shortcut for pasting a piece of text from the clipboard to the document is CTRL + V. D option is the correct option. 48. Which device is used to check multiple choice question? OMR. B option. 49. By default, the text entered in a cell is left aligned. A option. 50. One security protocol for the email system is SSL. 51. A device. सॉरी, मुझे 51 का क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं मिल पाया, उस वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर है हमारे पास. अभी ये जो क्वेश्चन छोड़ा था हमने 45, इसका आंसर होगा मल्टीमीडिया कंटेंट्स. सी ऑप्शन इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ग्राफिक्स. डी ऑप्शन इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ऑल ऑफ द अबव इन दिस आंसर. मल्टीमीडिया कंटेंट्स टेक्स्ट भी करता है, ऑडियो भी करता है और ग्राफिक्स भी करता है, तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑल ऑफ द अबव होगा. अब हमारा ये क्वेश्चन है 51, तो इसका आंसर मेरा अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं हो पाया, मॉड्यूलेटर है या डीमॉड्यूलेटर है, सो लीव दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ 52 क्वेश्चन. द टेलीफोन सिस्टम यूजेस द डाटा ट्रांसफर बाय द कॉन्सेप्ट टाइम डिवीजन मल्टीप्लेक्सिंग. सो ए ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. 53. सर्वर इज आल्सो कॉल्ड बैक एंड. बी ऑप्शन. 54. Line by line translation is done by interpreter. B option is the correct option. 55. Which of the following is not the e-commerce model? A to A. 56. Which of the following is not input device? C or monitor. C option is the correct option. 57. Extension of MS Word file is A option. .doc document. 58. Which one is not a database management system? Netscape Navigator. C option is the correct option. 59. A program that uses columns and rows to display number and text is known as spreadsheet. D option is the correct option. 60. The internet uses which protocol? TCP/IP. A option is the correct option. नाउ हमारा 50% सिलेबस का कंप्लीट हो चुका है. 60 क्वेश्चन ही हमें 50% सिलेबस में करना है, पर हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सारे PYQs करने का है, तो हम आगे के PYQs भी करेंगे. 61. विच वन इज़ नॉट ए मीडियम ऑफ नेटवर्क? सैटेलाइट केबल. डी ऑप्शन. 62. साइरिक्स मैक्स माइक्रो प्रोसेसर. C option is the correct option. 63. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. B option. 64. Which one is not an OS? MS Office. A option. 65. A DAS is a device that forwards packets between networks by processing the routing information included in the packet router. 66. The term applied to communication between separate computer systems is Connectivity, D option. 67. Bandwidth is a maximum along the following communication channel. Optical fiber, B option is the correct option. 68. Email uses which protocol? SMTP, A option. 69. The full name of MPEG. In this, the correct answer is Moving Picture Experts Group, B option is the correct option. Now our 70 question is, we can open a web page by using Internet Explorer, B option. 71. In HTML, M stands for markup, C option. 72. Which device is used in network security? Firewall. 73. Verification of a login name and password is known as authentication. 74. Cathode ray tube is used in monitor, A option is the correct option. 75. How many options are in the new query dialog box? 4, B option is the correct option. 76. Input device is keyboard, B option. 77. Most computers come with serial ports, A option. 78. Full form of ISDN, C option is the correct option. Integrated Service Digital Network. 79. The component of Linux is kernel. 80. There are special purpose windows that appear when you need to tell a program what to do next. Dialog boxes. Now 81. Which of the following is not a public network? So this answer is none of this. D option is the correct option. 82 is 82. In a flowchart, diamond represents decision, C option. 83. Ink used in laser printer is known as toner, D option. 84. Which computer is developed by India? Param, D option. 85. वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क हैज़ द हार्डवेयर, तो इसका आंसर अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं हूँ मैं, इसलिए लीव इट. 86. Which of the following is a type of firewall? So 86 correct option is packet filtering firewall, A option. 87. Pascal is a high level language, C option. 88. Which of the following system file consists of all internal DOS commands? Command sys, D option is correct option. Which of the following 89. Which of the following is not a programming language? B, C, D, B option. 90. Inkjet printer is non-impact printer, so A option is correct option. 91. Which icon is used from the formatting toolbar to make the text hold? A option, B. Now 93. Which language is developed by Sun Microsystem? A option is the correct option, Java. 94. Word processor is a application software, A option. 95. The range of frequencies available for data transmission is known as bandwidth, B option. 96. Cryptography technique is A, C, both A and B. 97. Which one is not a guided media? Microwave, C option. 98. Image quality, also known as printer resolution, is usually measured in DPI, D option. 99. Which of the following is a volatile memory? RAM. 100. MX access can be started through all of the above. 101. Which of the following is called brain of computer? CPU. 102. Laser printer uses raster scan. 103. Which of the following is not an item of insert menu? So font. 104. A hyperlink is a text or image that open another document on clicking. 105. COBOL is a high-level language. 106. Which one is a type of printer? All of the above. 107. Yahoo is a search engine. 108. A firewall is installed at the point where the secure internal network and untrusted external network meet, is also known as choke point. 109. The technique which change one image to another image, morphing. 110. The chip which is used for data processing is microprocessor. 111. The shortcut key for insert new slide in PowerPoint, CTRL plus M, A option. 112. The shortcut key to perform a spelling and grammar check is F7, A option. 113. DOS is a operating system. 114. Which command is used to reach particular page? Go to, C option. 115. Which of the following is not a part of CPU? Memory, C option. 117. Which command is used to change the setting of page setup? D option. 118. To see a directory with twice the instruction used is. This question I don't find, so leave this question.